Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Spotify account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Spotify. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on Setting and Privacy. Go ahead and click on Accounts. And go ahead and click on Close Your Account. Then it's going to take you right here. Is this the account you want to close? Then scroll down right here and click on Continue to close your account. I'm going to click on Continue to close your account. What you need to know, scroll down right here. Make sure you click on here. Then proceed to continue to close your account. Then click a link in the email you have just sent to you. Your account is not closed until you do so. Then go ahead and check on the mail. You can see the mail right here. Open up the mail. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Close My Account. All done. Close account and delete data. You can easily go back to your Spotify right here. By the time your account is now closed, so you won't be able to log in anymore. If you change your mind, we send you a confirmation which close a link to reactivate your closed account. This link is only valid for 7 days. After those 7 days, your account cannot be reactivated and the process deleting your data and all that is that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.